Shahid Lakshman Nayak, the indomitable flame of Odisha's freedom struggle. In the archives of Odisha's history, the name Shahid Lakshman Nayak resonates with unparalleled valor and sacrifice. A revolutionary leader and a beacon of hope for the marginalized tribals. Nayak stood as an unyielding force against British oppression. His life was a testament to unwavering patriotism, fierce resilience, and an undying commitment to justice. Born in 1909 in Tentuliguma village of Malkangiri, Odisha, Lakshman Nayak belonged to the Bhuyan tribe, a community that had long suffered under the British regime's ruthless exploitation. Devoid of formal education, but endowed with an acute sense of justice, he emerged as a protector of his people, striving to uplift them from the shackles of tyranny. On August 21, 1942, he led a massive rally in Mathili, demanding an end to British exploitation. The protest turned violent when police resorted to brutal force, killing innocent demonstrators. Lakshman Nayak, falsely implicated in the murder of a forest officer, was arrested and subjected to inhuman torture. On March 29, 1943, at Barampur jail, Lakshman Nayak was executed by the British. His final words echoed his undying love for his motherland. My sacrifice will ignite 1,000 more flames. Shahid Lakshman Nayak Medical College and Hospital in Koraput honors the legacy of Shahid Lakshman Nayak, a fearless tribal revolutionary who sacrificed his life for India's independence. Beyond being a center of medical excellence, it embodies resilience, service, and justice, the values that Nayak upheld. Situated in Odisha's tribal heartland, SLNMCH bridges modern healthcare and undeserved communities, reflecting Nayak's mission to uplift the marginalized. Just as he fought oppression, this institution fosters healing, knowledge, and empowerment, carrying forward his legacy of courage and societal commitment. On the occasion of Shahid Lakshman Nayak's death anniversary, all the students and teachers and Dean and Principal Sir Dr. Sushant Kumar Sahu Sir were gathered near the statue of Shahid Lakshman Nayak to commemorate his contributions towards the freedom struggle of Odisha. The event started with garlanding the statue of Shahid Lakshman Nayak by Dean and Principal Sir Dr. Sushant Kumar Sahu, followed by other professors and doctors. It was followed by 1 minute of vow of silence in memories of the freedom fighter Shahid Lakshman Nayak. In the heart of Malkangiri, a warrior rose. Against tyrant's chains, his spirit glows. With fearless heart and steadfast might, he led his kin to freedom's light. Through hills and forests, his voice rang high. A clarion call resist, defy. With justice burning in his chest, he marched unbowed with fate's behest. Betrayed, condemned, yet undismayed. On gallows high, his truth displayed. His final breath, a nation's cry. A martyr's dream shall never die. Then it was followed by garlanding of statue by the members of Students' Union 2024-25, and then subsequently there was 1 minute of vow of silence in memories of freedom fighter Shahid Lakshman Nayak. Next, our Dean and Principal Sir Dr. Sushant Kumar Sahu told a few words on memories of Shahid Lakshman Nayak, and this is how the event was concluded smoothly.